can't believe it.
So welcome to this video. Brilliant news, Martha's passed her driving test. This is her drive home. This is the sort of thing that happens after you've passed your driving test. Remember to like and subscribe and press the notification bell.
I'm so happy.
The biggest test is you've gone to test with me because I ain't going to send you to test if you can't drive.
Yeah.
So just all you did today, let's say all you did, what you did today was present the driving skills you've done with me and your mum and everyone else to someone called whatever it is. I don't mention that.
Oh, sorry.
Do you want anything?
Can I just have like an iced latte?
Have a nice latte, please. Thank you very much. No worries. Cheers. Ooh, it's a wobbly one. You take that.
Thank you so much.
Right then,
it was so worth not having a coffee as soon as I woke up.
You need that coffee, don't you? That's why I thought you here to have a luxury coffee, Martha. I know what you like without a coffee in the morning. It's a freaking nightmare. Right then, you're not driving, I'm driving.
We don't even need any sad songs on.
You don't need a...
I bloody frickin' passed!
You don't need my Oasis Stop Crying Your Eyes Out playlist.
This is delightful.
Nom nom nom, you deserve it. Well done. What's it on now? Oh, look at that already. It's booming up.
And do you know what it is? It's because I ate a banana for breakfast. So make sure you eat a banana before your driving test.
And keep away from the coffee.
And keep away from coffee because it's a stimulant.
Yes.
And I went on a long walk last night.
Did you?
Yeah, an hour with my mum all the way up to East Farm.
Bit of mindfulness. Well, with your mum.
Yeah.
Not that stressless then.
So happy.
So you went, I'm trying to work out your route. So you went to town, up past McDonald's.
I went to, let me try and
You went straight to town, surely.
Roundabout.
Okay, so you went through the route we kind of did when we saw the person. That, okay.
And then
So you literally did that route we did on that day.
Yeah.
Wow.
Double roundabout.
Yeah. Up the bridge, under the bridge.
Both first left.
Both first left, up the bridge.
Yeah.
Turn right at the top.
No, I turned into the road we went down yesterday.
Oh, turn left to do the parallel park.
Yeah.
Wow.
And then all the way through that, and then I went up, and do you know where I told you my sister failed?
Yeah.
Onto Gypsy Lane, I think it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so you turn right out that road,
and then
turn left onto Gypsy Lane.
All down Gypsy Lane.
Okay.
Yay, I think we have all been so invested in Martha's passing. Congratulations, Martha, but this means the end of your videos.
No, it doesn't. Oh, no, it doesn't. Say, reply. Say, this is Martha.
This is Martha.
Replying from the car, driving home.
Replying from the car. I'm just going to put, it's not the end.
No.
Not the end, ...
Not the end. ... Yeah.
Someone put, didn't realise you lived so close to me. Massive congratulations, Martha.
Anyway, I'm boring you with that.
I'm having an ADHD moment. Do you know where you can like feel all this like hyperactiveness inside of you?
All your nerve endings have shut open.
It wasn't there an hour ago when we were driving, but it's hit in. You would not think I've had like 5 hours of sleep. I'm ecstatic. So hyper.
Yeah, so all your nerves have opened up the gates and they won't shut down again. And it's going to get worse and worse and worse.
So happy.
Do you know what I might do, Martha?
What?
I think I should take a photograph of you. You can be my new poster person with you looking happy, going, just think, anything's possible.
Yes! I'm so proud of myself right now.
Yes. Don't think you can drive? Look at this. Anything's possible, Martha. That's what's going to go on my poster.
I'm so happy.
I think Martha's listening.
I am listening. I'm just like ecstatic right now. I can't explain it. I want to surprise Ashley. She's not ready.
Surprised you haven't cried yet.
No, I probably will get home and FaceTime Ashley and cry.
Okay. Can I just say one thing then, Martha? In all seriousness, how incredibly proud I am of you.
Stop it, Richard, because you know you're going to make me cry because I can feel it.
Oh, seriously, I know how difficult this was at the beginning, but I'm so proud of you.
I'm so happy. You see, you know what you've done because you made me see. You're not funny. You're literally not funny. I'm so... Stop!
I think you're welling up.
Stop. I'm not.
No, you're not welling up at all. Your eyes look a bit red though.
I'm just happy.
I'm really proud. I really, honestly, your mum's proud. I'm so proud. Let's talk to your mum about this. I'm really glad she's come so far, and it's going to make such a big difference to your life what you can and can't do.
I know. I can drive to my eyelash appointment.
Hey, over at Asda's.
Last time I couldn't.
No.
This time I can. Whoop whoop. I feel like I've got so much freedom. 781 likes, 27 comments, 9 shares, 4,705.
That like ratio is phenomenal.
Yeah, that is really good.
That's like 20%.
Oh no. I'm so happy!
This is gonna go. You're gonna pop. It's gonna end up in a big pile of tears and a flop on the floor.
I keep welling up.
You passed. Is it
I can't believe it. No, because I really didn't think I had passed in that moment of the driving test. Because he was like, "Do you want your instructor in the car?" And I was like, "Fuck." There we go. Here we go. I'm absolutely blown up. I'm gonna have to do a third test. £62 down the drain. No, I passed. Second time. My sister's up.
Come on, I'll pixelate those numbers. Pixelate those numbers.
Why do you have to?
Because they can take that information. They've got all sorts of information. Use it for other stuff as well. So.
Really liked that man though.
They're all nice there.
They're all lovely.
They're all lovely.
Yeah.
Do tell them that. The examiners are really nice at catering.
We started talking about how we want it to start getting warm again. Obviously, I told him my sister's working Cyprus.
Oh, you go, fat mamas, I reckon.
No, I didn't say it about fat mamas. 5,000, I was right about 5,000. Rich, I'm gonna cry.
It's really sad when this happens. You're gonna cry. It is very early, it's before 8 o'clock.
24 minutes ago.
Wow.
Going to Miss Martha, congratulations. I'm just gonna like everybody's comments.
Yeah.
So, but Martha, don't leave us. Congratulations.
Tell them you're doing a pass
plus. Proud of someone I don't even know.
Tell them you're doing a pass plus, for goodness sake. Then they'll go, "Way."
Person put, never been so proud of someone I don't know. Also, I didn't watch the end of the video before I commented. Enjoy your holiday and happy driving. Bless all.
Oh, bless.
Congratulations. Welcome to the freedom. Gonna miss you on here. Guys, I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Don't worry. I'm taking my friend home to Wigston tonight.
Are you?
Just decided she's coming to see me, so we've said I'll take her home. She was struggling to get home. That's all back roads, so it's all rural. But Paisley is my best pal, so I can't believe I've passed. It doesn't feel real. I don't know if I'm asleep. This is really, really weird. This is such a weird feeling. I haven't had this much joy over something. Like I can't explain it. Like, I am welling up. I'm quite an emotional person. Thank you so much for all the love. And you can post that video now of me going, "You'll see this if I pass."
Yes. Got that one to pass.
And I actually kept a secret of what I've never been in. You know I can't keep secrets. I can't keep secrets. I actually kept it a secret. I only told 4 people.
I was one of them.
He was one of them. 2 people from work and a man that comes into my pub. Oh wait, no, I just told like 6. I'm such a liar. I also told my boss and 2 other people I work with.
Anyone else?
And my sister, and my mum, and my dad.
Okay, that's 10 already. You're already up to 10.
I'm trying to think if I told anybody else. No, I didn't. Did I? I didn't! I gave people hints that I had my driving test. I was like, "Oh guys, I've got a driving test soon." But no one knew. And I think that's why I passed, seriously.
And I'm a stone and a half lighter in the process from teaching you.
Are you?
Yeah.
I'm so happy.
You stressed me into losing weight, Martha.
Well, do you know what? It's been a stressful journey. It really has.
Not that stressful.
No, it's
Our drive lesson isn't that bad.
No. Just like, I'm just quite dramatic in the sense that I'm dramatic, and if I don't understand something, I'll get in the grump because I feel like I know everything.
Do the bottom lip. Do the bottom lip sulk. At the end of some of your lessons, what does your face look like? No, don't take the bottom lip out. No, more like this.
It literally is. It's like this.
Yeah.
But we overcame that. I got a grip. I understood that I am a learner, not a full licence holder since the age of 17. Do you know what I mean? And this has been a massive, massive journey in my life. And I've cried, I've laughed, I've smiled, I've frowned.
You punched me.
I've punched, yeah. Whereas I don't think you're very sensitive. Whereas
You don't think I'm very sensitive?
No. Actually, we're both very sensitive as well.
I am.
We both have no filter, but we also are both quite sensitive.
Not very sensitive.
I just said you are sensitive.
Yes, I am. Terminator 2 at the end with a thumb going down through the lava. I cried like a baby when I was 18.
I kind of just got lost in a rampage. That makes no sense.
It makes no sense at all, mother.
In the slot, I don't even know what I just said. But anyway, it's been a beautiful journey.
Remember to say like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe. Thank you all for following my journey and sending me the love. You've all kept me going on this gorgeous but hard journey. And it's been worth every second. Thanks, guys.